Question 16. Do you have any idea about milestones? Would they be considered or not? What do you think? Answer. They basically offer access to the advanced or the future features in Clover Etl. They can be used for testing purposes. It is also possible to provide feedback to the support team in case anything wrong is there. However, it is not good to consider them in bulky or long-term projects related to data integration. This is because they can be changed anytime if the support team doesn't get favorable feedback. Question 17. Give 4 reasons why an organization should consider data integration even if they have a limited budget. Answer. Data integration is not a costly procedure unless one knows the right tools and technology to consider. It makes monitoring reporting convenient as well as flexible. In addition to this, it adjusts risks and allows reliable and timely reporting. Moreover, it ensures quality data that can simply be trusted. Question 18. What do you know about data profiling? Answer. It is basically a procedure to understand the useful data for an organization. This is achieved by understanding quality, structure, as well as content of data. When it comes to studying schematic differences, it is one of the very useful steps to consider. Most of the unaddressed issues are simply rectified through this approach. Question 19. How can you say cleansing is an important module in data integration? Answer. It is useful because it simply helps in knowing the data filed which are missing. At the same time, conflicting data, poorly managed content, and other issues can be highlighted in a very simple manner. Sometimes the information can also be merged without making a lot of efforts. Question 20. What is the true purpose of data transformation according to you? Answer. Well, it is done to reconcile among the data elements that are placed at different sources. It simply allows information to pass from one form to another without facing any issue. The complex data hierarchies as well as their relationships can easily be understood with the help of this approach. Question 21. Suppose you find some errors after integrating the data through a tool. Would you repeat the integration process again from beginning or take another appropriate action? Answer. It actually depends on the type of errors and the source of their origination. Next factor on which it depends is the tool. If there is a powerful tool such as Clover Etl, there is no need to start the process from the beginning. Only the missing fields can be considered and tasks can be made easier. Question 22. What if you lost any data which is important for deriving useful information? Answer. The simplest way is to consider backups. In any data integration approach, the data is not directly taken from the server. It is first copied in the tools itself or at any other trusted location in the service. Thus, the chances of data loss are less and there is no need to worry about it. Question 23. How many stages are there in the data mining? Name them. Answer. There are 3 stages and they are model building, initial exploration, deployment. Question 24. In data integration approach, is it possible to use SAP as a database? Why or why not? Answer. No, it is not possible. This is because SAP is basically an application that is useful for handling and managing the other databases provided by third-party vendors. For example, SQL Server. Question 25. What data tells you about the structure of meta-objects? What do you know about transaction and master data? Answer. Metadata gives useful information regarding the same. In addition to this, transaction and master data is also there. Transaction data gives useful information that is related to regular processes and activities in a business. On the other side, as the name indicates, master data is the data that have key information regarding a business. For example, it contains all the customer information. It can be considered as reference data for both metadata and transaction data. Question 26. Do data integration system models have layers in them? What is their purpose? Name them. Answer. Yes, there are 3 layers in a data integration system models and they are database layer, presentation layer and application layer. Their purpose is to handle security related tasks such as authenticity, data controlling, packets monitoring, handling queries and so on. Question 27. What do you call a data warehouse? What is its purpose? Answer. Every organization has some historical data related to its history. The same is stored electronically and its purpose is reporting, analyzing, and handling related processes. A warehouse can also be used for data integration and data management. Question 28. What is the difference between OLAP and OLTP? Answer. OLTP is responsible for data collection, whereas OLAP purpose is to simply analyze and report on that data. OLTP are normalized systems while OLAP are not that normalized. They are used for limited data with quick operations. Both these systems are highly reliable and can be considered in data integration without facing any issue. Question 29. Can you tell us something about the dimensional modeling? Answer. It basically consists of fact tables and the related dimensions. When it comes to storing the different transactional measurements, fact tables are considered. It aims simpler and quick data retrieval rather than enhanced degree of normalization. One of the common and in fact widely used proponents in dimensional modeling is Ralph Kimball. It defines limits so that data can easily be managed for integration and other similar tasks. Question 30. Tell us the prime responsibilities of Data Integration Administrator. Answer. There are certain responsibilities of a Data Integration Administrator, and a few of them are configuring and monitoring the real-time services, executing the batch jobs, publishing batch jobs, ensuring data security, repository usage, providing and cancelling data access to users, defining data limits,